Hey guys, and Whale, come back. This way you fucking insert the music here, bud. Yo, where the fuck is me? Oh, there we go. It's my jam, boys. Sorry, because I couldn't hear anything, guys. Alright, guys, but yeah, after that horrible intro, I mean, great intro. I mean, like, who doesn't like those kind of intros? Am I right, boys? But yeah, here we are on a server called Retrained Faction. Yeah, it just opened up not too long ago, and basically, I'm pretty sure it went up like an hour or two ago. So like we're one of the first few people, and I think we're gonna get a retrained key. So who knows what we could get here. Okay, but yeah, so at the moment we don't actually have the key, but that's fine. Yeah, alright guys, well we can 50, just don't give me that. Alright, bedrock, you know, I'll take a rank. I'll take a rank, you know. I'll take a mate. I'll take a, please. No. I don't want creeper eggs because there's no one to freaking raid at the moment. Well, that was kind of a fail because we don't really even need that. What was the, like, 50? Okay, I see how it is, game. How much was it for the Lord rank? 30. Man, should have gotten Titan kit. Oh, I don't want a kit. But yeah, I don't know. I guess for this episode, what we'll do is we'll try to build up the base, and I don't know. I guess we'll just go ahead and run out here. I guess I'll just bring you guys back once I'm actually out far enough, and yeah, I'll see you guys then. Okay, so yeah, here we are at the base. As you can see, I've done quite a bit of work on it, but in my past videos, I've done a lot of speed ups. So yeah, I just thought I would do this off camera, but yeah, I think I'll speed up or just talk about stuff while I'm doing my spawner. But before we do that, we have to go grab all the supplies that we need. Not too sure if I want to go super high with this, but let's just hop inside of here now, because this is where we're going to end up actually doing this. So yeah, this is basically how you make a spawner if you never knew. But yeah, if you guys want to pay attention, then you can. But let's go 4 out on each side. So that's 2. Sorry if you guys can hear some footsteps in the background. Not much I can do about that. That's 4. That's 4. There we go. Now what we can do here is this is where we actually make where the mobs spawn. But we have to go 3 up there and then just 2 up there. This is at least the way that I do it. It doesn't make it a one-shot kill with your fist, but that's because we're not high enough or low enough. Our base isn't low enough that we can do that. But yeah, that's really all we have to do for now. Is just mine out this small room, and then we can have some skeletons coming in here and making us some money. But yeah, we only have how much money? I'm pretty sure we have like 160k still. Man, we still have a lot. I'm pretty sure we need it's 300 or 450k for a blaze spawner, but that's the next kind of spawner I want to get, and that's quite far away. But yeah, I'll see if I can donate a bit later tonight, because
I've been slipping back, heading south, car sick on a Tuesday, missing cash, blacking out, heartless in a few ways, shit for luck, elbow shredded, I held things steady like too late, please calm the fuck down, I'll do whatever you say, I get it, I'm living too hard and it's time that I stop it, for rising on up and then tumbling down, well it's part of the process, bar tabs on a hot night in a cold basement, you say I'm crazy, but I feel amazing, my mother told me that the world just got its plans. I wanna hold them till they burn right through my hands. Don't ask me questions, cause I'm tired of confessing, and I know
that moment when you try to do the outro 3 times, but every time you didn't record your voice. Nailed it. that's basically it for this first episode. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it. I am making a lot of face expressions because that helps me talk a bit more exciting, unlike some people who are like, alright guys, here we are, you know, fucking PvP, you know, they're just like, here we are, just PvP, oh my gosh, Prof 4, baby, you know, just kind of keeping the same tone for the whole video. But yeah, that's basically it for this episode. If you guys did enjoy, hit that like button. It does mean a lot to me, and lets me know that you guys love me. No, but it does let me know that you guys are enjoying this series. And if you are new, also hit that subscribe button. What the fuck is wrong with me, guys? But yeah, after this horrible intro, you guys will hit that like button because I know you guys are cool like that. I'm just gonna end it off here, guys. Thanks for watching. That is it. And I'm Maddie, baby.
Better off without you.
Long enough for me to build it all and let it fall apart. My mother told me that the world just got its plans. I wanna hold them till they burn right through my hands. Don't ask me questions, cause I'm tired of confessing. And I know that it's not much to say, but I swear that I'd like to change. I can't sleep, I hope I stay awake.